Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be another Boxycharm unboxing for my premium box, and this is the second one, like the middle box, because there's the base box, premium, and luxe, but the luxe is only every quarter, so I like every 3 months. You get that one. The luxe, the premium, and the base box are every month, except for luxe. Then you get a base or the luxe, one or the other, depending on the month. But yeah, so this one, if you haven't been around, I love Boxycharm. Like, that's my favorite subscription. I also have Ipsy, but I'm not currently using it, or I'm not currently like active on it. Like, I paused my subscription because I feel like I get too much. I get too much makeup with Ipsy and Boxycharm combined. I get too much that I can't go through it, all of it, in a good amount of time, I believe. So I just kind of stuck with Boxycharm because they have like more higher end brands in my opinion, and it's just more brands that I know versus Ipsy is a lot more of indie brands, which are nice. Some of them are really cool, but I just wanted Boxycharm because they include both higher end and indie also, but good, really high-end brands too. So that's why I decided to stick with Boxycharm. And then Ipsy, you know, they send you a bag, which is not bad, but I just have too many bags already and I didn't know what to do with them. So I just like Boxycharm all better in general. So yeah, if you want to see what I got in this month, just keep on watching. So I am currently, a little side note, I'm currently 27 weeks, so I've noticed that I have to catch my breath a little more than usual, and it's kind of weird. In my last video I noticed myself like having issues breathing almost, so, and I never noticed that while I was recording until I start editing the video. I'm like, oh my gosh, looks like I'm dying or something, but it's because I'm getting bigger and bigger. So yeah, I'm almost at my 3rd trimester, so if you think I'm dying, I'm not. It's just because I'm pregnant. Alright, so first off, I got this Laura Geller, or Geller, I'm not sure, New York Line and Define eyeliner, and this one is it's a dual dimension eyeliner. So it says, create killer eye looks that stun with intense bold lines and graphic cream coat effects with this line and define dual dimension eyeliner. A sleek, sexy, smoky eye look is only strokes away, and it retails for $24. And this is in the shade black and navy because it's like double-ended. This one, I don't. So it's the navy cream color on this side. I don't know if you can see like the color good, but yeah, that's what it looks like on one side. So it's like the crayon part. And I don't want to touch it because I'm actually going to start a little giveaway box. And this is one of the things. And then the other one that has the liquid eyeliner, a big old like thick tip end on that side. And I don't want to swatch it because I want to give it away. I have too many liquid eyeliners, and then blue I just wouldn't use anyways. So up next is this cuticle oil by, what's the brand? I'm not sure. Oh, Cuccio Natural? I'm not sure how you Cuccio Natural Luxury Spa. I'm not sure how to pronounce that. I think it's Cuccio, I'm not sure. It's the Milk and Honey Cuticle Revitalizing Oil, a unique natural hydrating complex of rich, lightweight oils with extra antioxidant benefits from vitamin E that absorb completely to nourish the cuticles and skin. Milk soothes and softens the skin, while honey is a natural humectant to keep the skin moisturized, and it retails for $18. This is what the looks like, and it's humongous. This is like lasts me forever. It's pretty cool. Oh, it lasts 3 years, so 36 months. I think it would probably last me longer than that because I'm kind of trying to do my own nails, which I haven't done like at all. It's been a while since I got my nails done. I'm just letting them be natural because at work I use the computer a lot, so it's easier for me to type when I have short nails or no nails at all, like right now. So that's what I've been putting it off, getting a full set at a salon. So I just want to try and do it myself. So cuticle oil is always nice to have. And I have another one that I got from Boxycharm before. I'm not even a quarter with it, and it's small. It's this one's So Rich one, NCLA treatments. And yeah, I haven't used, I don't know if you can tell how much I've used, but it's barely any. So this one will probably last me way more than 3 years, but I'm pretty sure it doesn't. I don't know. I mean, I think it'll be okay if it lasts more than 3 years. And then up next, I got this Saturday Skin 10% glycolic pore toner. Let me see. It's the Saturday Skin Pore Clarifying Toner. Oh, this pore clarifying toner helps to smooth and refine your skin's appearance with an effective dose of 10% glycolic acid. The pore control complex targets pore concerns with a blend of ingredients that help improve the look of balanced, clear skin, and it retails for $30. So it's heavy too. Looks like that. It's a glass jar. Still has the seal. Oh, I just want to see. I just want to smell it. For some reason, I think like just because it's pink, I'm thinking it smells like roses. It doesn't smell like roses. It just smells like, almost smells like bubble gum, I think, to me. I don't know, but it's cool. This one I'm definitely gonna keep because I like toners. I only have this other witch hazel toner that I use a lot, so this is like my backup. All right, so up next is this Folly Fire Expensive Habits 3 makeup lipstick kit. Let's see. This Folly Fire Matte Manipulation Trio. You know what you want, and they're not cheap. Everything has its price, but gorgeous lips are priceless. Grab our reds ranging from deep burgundy to pink nude to cover all aspects of your daily conquest, and it retails for $39.99. I'm still debating if I want to keep this or put it in the giveaway as well. I'm not going to swatch them just in case, but this is the first color, called Full House. Looks like that. It's so pretty. In the light, it looks brighter than in person. It looks dark. Like, I think this might be, yeah, this is the darkest one of the three. So you see on the packaging, this is the one I have right now. It's like the darkest out of the three, but it looks so pretty now that I'm looking at it in person. But I still probably won't keep that one. I might keep one of the three, which I don't know if will like make sense, because then it's not a trio anymore. So I just might like not just take one and give away the others. Ooh, this one is super red, which I already have liquid lipsticks that are like this color, so this one I definitely won't keep. It's just really pretty. And this one's the shade here, to Slay. And I think I saw this one. This one is like a more nude pink, which if I keep any, it might be this one because it's so pretty. But I feel like I already have other lipsticks that look like this. See, nope, that's not quite it. This is closer, but it's still like slightly different, you know. But I still don't wear lipsticks enough to justify me keeping this one. Nope, still not the same. Maybe I have a liquid lipstick that looks like this one. I'm pretty sure I have something in this color, so I'm not sure if I want to keep it, but I want to try it. So I don't know, I might keep just this one. Now I'm between this one and the burgundy one, or I might just keep all three of them, but I don't want to because it's so wasteful for me. Anyways, like I wanna rather give it to someone that's gonna use it rather than me just using it like once or twice and then just letting it go to waste. I'm so tempted to swatch them, but I don't want to. I don't know, I'm undecided. I'm still debating if I want to give them all away or keep one of them because they're so pretty. But if I give it away, I kind of want to give it away in a trio, so I should keep all 3, but I really want to keep one. It's so complicated. And I know I do not need any more lipsticks because I have plenty. But it's just so pretty. I don't know. Next time you see, my next video will probably be a giveaway, just showing what's going to be the giveaway. So you'll see if I'm keeping it or giving it away. Next up is this Kenya on Tiveros Beauty Set and Define Kit. So this one says, oh, this is what it looks like. And that's what the packaging looks like. It's so pretty. This one I know for sure I'm gonna give away, which I had a little bit of doubt because the packaging is so pretty. And the packaging sometimes gets me itself, but let's see. This one says, create natural looking contours while adding balance, dimension, and light reflection with our Set and Define Kit. Our luxurious range of silky powders blend seamlessly into the skin to define and enhance your features with rich, buildable payoff and a long wearing finish, and it retails for $42. I think that's the most expensive item in the whole box, I believe. So yeah, and it has the little plastic still. That's what the set looks like. It's so pretty. I mean, like, I like that pink highlight. It's a highlight, but I think that's too pink. I don't know if it'll show off pink or not on my skin, but I don't need it. I have too many face palettes that I want to go through before I start using or buy anything else. So this one I'm definitely giving away. So our last but not least, I got the Morphe times Manny MUA Glam Palette. And it looks like that. That's Manny for you, for who doesn't. If you don't know him, that's who it is. And his name is Manny. On YouTube, it's Manny MUA. I used to watch him a lot. Now I'll still watch him, just not like I used to, I guess. So this palette is really pretty. It has the like the marble design and everything, but I do have too many eyeshadow palettes, and to be honest, I'm not really like mesmerized by this. Like, it has the big mirror and the colors are pretty, but it's nothing that really catches my attention. Like, even when I first saw it come out, I was like, oh, that's nice, but nothing I needed to have, and I still don't. And it's just, I mean, it's nice colors and everything, but it's nothing that like really attracts me, you know? So I'm giving it away as well, which I kind of debated a little bit, just because it's Manny and I did follow him. Like, I follow him everywhere on social medias, but I just don't care for the palette as much, and I'm trying to like give it up to someone that will use it. So and that one says, let me put it up. So this one says, are you ready to go glam with Manny MUA? This mirrored palette pairs up 12 wearable anything but basic eyeshadows in matte and shimmer finishes with 2 stunning highlighters. Yes, you've got every reason to be shook, and it retails for $20. So it's nice, and in the back it says, it's been so special for me to collaborate with Morphe on this glam collection. I'm so proud to be part of a brand that can bring you so much amazing quality at an affordable price. I know you guys will feel beautiful wearing these shades. And it's 14 shades, and let's see, 14 eyeshadows and matte and shimmers, and like 2 highlighters. So yeah, I love Manny, but I don't care for this palette too much. So it'll be in the giveaway also. Alright, so that's all the items. I'm gonna add up the total price real quick and let you know a couple thoughts. So this month's box is worth $173.99. So I feel like that's one of the lower amounts that I've gotten, maybe. So I feel like this box is one of the more, not cheaper, but just one of the ones that I've gotten less out of. And it costs let's say $37. So I'm giving away a lot, so I'm gonna see if it's even worth it for me this month. So I know I'm keeping the cuticle oil. So the oil was 18. A Saturday was 30. Oh yeah. And even if I just keep those 2 items out of the whole box, it's $48 worth of stuff, and I only paid $37. So I still get like $11 free. So I mean, anything else, I don't know, I'm still debating about these, so just depending on that. But still, even if I just keep those 2 items, I still get my money's worth from the box, and I'm okay with that. And I know there's future boxes that'll be better and stuff, so it's fine. But yeah, I'm gonna leave the link down below if you want to subscribe to Boxycharm. There's 3 options. The base box is like $26 or $27. The premium, which is what I have, is 36 something plus tax, I guess. I rounded up to $37. And then the deluxe is about $49, $50. That one's only every 3 months. So yeah, it replaces your base box. Unless you have 2 subscriptions, then you'll get both. But yeah, that's how it works. But Boxycharm is definitely my favorite subscription to get, because you get full-sized items, and they're high-end items that are really good, from makeup to skincare. And then sometimes you'll still get other like hairstyle products as well. So yeah, yeah, that's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you aren't already, and I'll leave the links below for Boxycharm and the link to subscribe to my channel. That one is free, so don't be scared to subscribe. And oh yeah, so my next video will be a giveaway, so stay tuned for that. And I will do it, like, I'll post it, the rules and stuff, but I won't do the drawing until I hit 100, I think. Yeah, it feels funny, but yeah, 100 subscribers, I'll do it then, I believe. So yeah, I'll post it still, and I'll do the actual drawing once I hit the number I want. But yeah, alright, so stay tuned for that, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.